Hello everybody, today I just received the new Oneplus 10 Pro. Let's unbox it, open and see what is inside and the first impressions. Oneplus 10 Pro is the first OnePlus with the new transition closely to Oppo. There is no OnePlus 10, but I guess it's because the 9RT is still a great device that they didn't decide to make a new 10. Maybe later, maybe sometime in the future. Alright, let's try to open and let's see what is inside. Okay, that failed, so let's try to use a traditional way. Now, the new OnePlus has the new Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor. This version that I took has 12 GB RAM and 256 GB of storage. They promised a better cooling performance and better gaming performance in this one, and I hope they will not have the same complaints of the 9 Pro with all of these kind of heating problems in the beginning. Alright, let's open the box. Let's see what is inside. First thing is a black envelope. I like these colors between red and black. Always very OnePlus style. Let's see what is under the phone. Most probably it's going to be the cable and okay, this is the phone. You can see the very big camera with very big lenses. Okay, inside the box the new 80-watt charger brick taken from Oppo. Now this one is a USB-A to USB-C, and it's very different from the previous models that it was USB-C to USB-C. This is the free black matte case, a soft case. Actually, it's always welcome to be inside, and the red USB-A to USB-C cable. This cable is also like a trademark for OnePlus, one of the most beautiful cables in the market. Now let's see what is in this black folder. Most probably we're going to see the famous Oneplus stickers. Okay, I think in the first one, okay, this is the SIM card pin for the SIM card tray, and maybe a letter from Pete Lau. Instructions and some manuals, nothing special here. Since this phone is a Chinese version, everything is in Chinese. Remember, this phone at the moment is only for the Chinese market. Okay, here are the stickers. Hyper Boost for gaming, and OnePlus in red, OnePlus in black, and nothing else. That's all. Alright, so let's go to see the phone. Now, this phone, as we said, it supports the new VOOC charging system that is supposed to be very, very fast. The back is actually the same kind of the 9 Pro. It has the same feeling as the 9 Pro of the last year. There is a very big camera bump with 3 very big camera modules and a very nice flash round design. This is the USB-C and the speakers, stereo speakers. The also very famous alert slider that it's very useful. The screen is not so curved like other times. I mean, it has a curve, but it's not as curved as the 8 Pro before. So I guess it's gonna be alright. So let's turn on the phone for the first time and see how does it look like from the software point of view. Now the phone is coming with Color OS 12.1, and I think I'm going to keep it like this since I have no choice. There's no oxygen, I think, at the moment. So this is actually all the preparations to go to the main screen, and this is the main screen. For me, it's the first time that I'm going to try the Color OS. Actually, it's not exactly the first time. I remember the Oneplus One that I had a long time ago. The ones that I bought from mainland China and Hong Kong, they also had the Color OS. Later I switched to Cyanogen OS, the international one, but Color OS was from that time. Alright, so this is the menus from Color OS. It feels nice, smooth. It's a brand new phone. No problems here. It has the Google service pre-installed, so I guess it's gonna be no problem with installing all the Google apps. These are some apps that they are pre-installed inside, and okay, this is one of the things that many people don't like the Color OS, because it has some apps that they're pre-installed compared with the Oxygen OS that it's more clean. It was more clean before. I don't know how it's gonna be in the future. That's the camera. Also it has Hasselblad color calibration. The camera is 48 megapixel plus 50 megapixel plus 8 megapixel dual optical image stabilization, and the front camera has 32 megapixel with 1080p video. Okay, display, light mode, dark mode, and some screen settings. The screen looks very nice and very bright from the first actually look. The phone, of course, has Android 12. Oh, and we have one new update available. So I'm going to update it and check it out. What is the new kind of things? Now let's see the fingerprint scanner. It's now positioned in a higher place than the 9 Pro that was very low. It feels very fast, so no problem with this. It's an optical Fingerprint Scanner. I can set later face unlock. And let's see some extra things. Now these are the wallpapers. These are the new OnePlus wallpapers. Most probably because of Android 12 you are going to have some wallpapers that it can affect the whole system by the colors that you use. You can change the icons. Color OS, actually I heard that it's very nice for using many different styles of icons. It's highly customizable and this is good. Like I said before, this is the first time that I'm going to try to use this system, so I don't know many things yet. But it looks very customizable. It has so many new things to check and try. Okay, most of the familiar things are still here, like the double tap to lock. Okay, let's see how it responds. Okay, face unlock. Okay, fingerprint scanner looks very fast. I think it's the lock screen. It has some kind of wallpaper carousel, so every time I tap I can see a different wallpaper. That's quite nice. Well, that was really fast to unlock. Let's try one more time. Yep, nice animation and very nice to unlock. I will come back with another video. So I installed all the Google apps, Google Play, and everything looks and works perfectly fine. The next days I'm going to review some more things about it. I will make some photo comparisons with other phones to test the camera, and I will come back with a more detailed review about the phone. Thank you so much for watching this video. This is my first attempt to make a new channel. I will appreciate any like or leave a comment if you have something to ask me. Thank you.